Hello and welcome to another quick little Google Read and Write video where we're going to talk about the dictionary. And there's two different types of dictionary. There's a regular dictionary and there's the picture dictionary. So I'm just going to close these so you can see and find the button for this. So this is the dictionary. And remember, for any of these pieces, if you hold your mouse still over it, it'll tell you what it is. So there's the picture dictionary. So I'm going to choose a word. So something like unfamiliar, and my dictionary is going to say it's an adjective and not known or recognized. I am unfamiliar with the rules, so then it's going to talk about how it fits in a sentence. And then if you click on your Pictionary, then it's going to give you a picture of it. Now, if you hit play at this time, it'll say the word first.
Unfamiliar. Understanding unfamiliar words. You can use Google Read and Write.
And then after you do the word, it is going to do the full sentence that uses the word. So if you leave them open, you can just start and move through. So here's highlight. And it gives me what a highlight is and shows you how you're highlighting something. You can choose vocabulary and it just jumps from one to another. So if there's any words in here that are difficult for you, you can just click on them. And sometimes there is no match. That is how you use the dictionary. Thanks for watching.